All right. Hey, Craig.
Howdy, howdy.
We are here together in this screencast. We're going to go ahead and build on top of some of the videos that we've recorded previously with our Rocketpool node. So we're going to go ahead and with our test node, we're going to create another mini pool on the same node. So we're going to have a node with two mini pools. So what are we going to do that? Right now we have one validator running, but if we pop over to our node here, first thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and take a look at our mini pool status. You can see that we only have one mini pool. Now if we go and look at our node status, this will show us the account balances of the node wallet that's on the actual server. And look at this, Craig. We got our withdrawal address. It's not complaining anymore that our withdrawal address is the same.
Nice. New wallet.
New wallet. And you know what? I'm curious. I really like, we've been discussing this a lot of trying to minimize keeping ETH within the node wallet's account. It's reading the ETH balance of the withdrawer. Well, we won't be able to do that because we would need to make a signature on this server, and the server does not have the private key for this wallet. So like for us to, right? Like that doesn't. So for us to make a new mini pool, all we would really have to do is say rocket pool node deposit.
Well, you need to have enough ETH on it.
Yeah,
Well, the node draw has 60. All right, cool.
I'm curious to see what happens if we don't.
Oh,
Like it should complain here. So, right? Oh, this is what I was talking about before, Craig. So like by creating a new mini pool, we automatically have to claim and distribute any balance that we have.
in your fee distributor contract,
Yes, which is
which has a balance of 0.
right, exactly.
Is that fee distributor? Oh, that's just a payment splitter. That's our payment splitter for the key.
Yep.
Got it.
Yeah, that's keeping track, I believe, of all of the different what we just distributed with the RPL tokens.
How come it doesn't say it has 0 ETH and 0 RP?
Yeah, it doesn't say anything about RP, does it? Does it have anything about RP here? We just claimed all of our RPs, so it's
All right, let's just keep moving.
yeah. So if I hit yes here, it should complain. Good. Okay. So your mini pool is currently fixed commission. Inefficient
No,
funds.
no ETH can create the transaction.
Yep. Which is expected here, right? Because we only have 1.4 ETH here. So let's go ahead and send this bad boy some ETH. We have enough RPL, so I'm going to go ahead and just fire off a transaction here. Let's go ahead and send to this address. We're going to send. We should be able. We should only need 16 ETH here because we already have an ETH sitting there for gas fees. So I'm going to just send 16.
Are the gas estimates here somewhat the gas estimates on mainnet?
No, I don't think so. No, but we just did a transaction a couple of minutes ago with the gas estimates from this wallet, and it seemed to be sane. Now that I say that, this transaction will take 4 hours, but
Oh, I don't mean gas estimate time. I meant gas estimates for creating the mini pool is how much Gwei. Is that the same amount of total Gwei needed to do it on mainnet?
oh yeah,
Should be, right?
yeah, I believe so. The gas price might be different, but the total amount
Yeah,
of
your
gas,
gas price, I mean, it may be different, may not. Gas prices are relatively low, but the total amount of Gwei needed
yeah,
should be about the same.
should be the same exactly.
Shouldn't be the exact same, not about.
Yeah, because we're technically executing the same code, so if we look at this now, here we go. Now we have 17 ETH. Now we should be able to just go ahead and say node deposit. Yes.
Uh-oh.
Could not estimate gas limit. Well, that's interesting.
Did your scroll up a sec? read about your RPL stake. How much RPL are you saying to put to this new pool?
Oh, maybe we have to stake more RPL. We have RPL in our wallet, but we have
You have
100.
to give it to the new mini pool, don't you?
The node has a total stake of 100 RPL, allowing it to run one mini pool. So yeah, we have to stake more RPL. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So,
Oh, and you're staking RPL at the node at what level? Isn't it that it's not at the mini pool level?
no, it's at the node level.
That's interesting.
But it uses it at the rock. So the node's going to stake the RPL, and that stake is going to allow you to run a certain amount of mini pools based on your collateralization with.
Yeah, but so think about that from our perspective as a provider. When we have a percentage of RPL staked for our node, that's the amount of RPL staked for everyone's node? Everyone's mini pool?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, right now, we don't see how this is going to work with multiple customers on one box.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like one box is basically one client right now.
Which is what they designed it to be. I just, I wanted to eliminate some of our other concepts then.
Yeah. No, for sure. Okay, so we should be able to put up another 100 RPL.
Throw your entire balance in there. We'll get another one.
Okay. Entire balance, 3.
Do it now.
No, it's not. I put the wrong thing in there. All right, so now I'm going to go high with this. You'll not be able to unstake this RPL until you exit your validators and close your mini pools or reach over 100% collateral. Yes. Yeah, okay. So now we have it staked. So now if we say Rocketpool node status, here we go, allowing it to run 8 mini pools. So now this node can run up to 8 mini pools because we have 600 RPL staked. We don't have enough ETH to run 8 mini pools on the system right now, but we essentially could. And we're currently at an 85% collateralization ratio. So now we can say Rocketpool node deposit. Yes. And now for every mini pool we create, we'd have to do this every time. So this is the process of spinning up more mini pools.
You load the whole node wallet with the ETH and then just keep doing it.
Yep. And now this will put the mini pool into a pending status. It'll sit for a couple of days. It's going to have to get, it has to wait for the deposit. There we go. We're initialized. Now we have another validator public key. So now we can go back to here and look at our new validator. It's not even registered yet.
We'll go back to the command line and get us the status.
Yeah, so now we can do Rocketpool mini pool status. We have one staking. Cool. We have one pre-launch.
Stake another one, please. I want to see 2 in pre-launch.
Okay.
Isn't it just hitting that same command with the same 55?
It is, but now we got to transfer ETH again. We don't have enough ETH.
Oh, I thought you had it in there.
No, we only have 1 ETH in there now. So if I throw another 16 in here, 1 pre-launch, 1 staking, let's send another 16. So like right now, this is the process, right? We're putting ETH into the wallet on the.
Yeah, you don't necessarily have to do it. The thing I wanted to see is you wouldn't get it in pre-launch status. I want to see when it's active. Does it sum up all of your rewards at the same time?
Oh well, we'll see that in the next couple of days.
Yeah,
because we'll keep this up.
So throwing another one in pre-launch don't help.
Yeah. Good point. So it's there we go. So we got a deposit. Now we're going to be waiting for the match from Rocketpool for the RETH participants, and then we'll go into a pending status, and then that'll put us in the queue on the beacon chain to be activated.
Yep. Cool.
And I'm curious if it's going to default to the smoothing pool because the node is set to participate in that. So I'm thinking it will.
Scroll back down.
Because that's set at the node level, right? So if we go node status,
yeah, node is set for the smoothing pool, which is why we saw Marceau had 150 mini pools hooked to his node.
Yeah.
One node.
Cool. So that is a pretty simple process. Obviously, if we had to do that a lot of times, it will be a bit time consuming, and it'll be a lot of transactions. We can see exactly what we can calculate the gas cost if we take a look at the wallet here, Corelli. This is really what's creating it, and this is gonna be our higher cost transaction. So it used about 1.9 million GUI here. Deposit. Yeah. So we'd have to basically make this transaction for every mini pool we create.
There's on mainnet, is there a smart node contract we can go look at? The last contract created, last mini pool created. I can just go look at it at Rocketpool's status dashboards.
Yeah. All right, but I'm going to stop recording here. I think we captured what we wanted to capture.
Yep.
Cool.